Thank you, Daniel. I really appreciate that comment. Just doing our best to try to share with you the ideas that we've learned over the years. Coming into that 51.5 to 52 area, resistance 2. Primary target is achieved at 52. Is that correct? That's what we had started the day saying, that would be our first objective if we could take out that high. Make sure you're paid by the double top. But the expectation was try to get to 52s to 54, 55, and that it might take time to do that. You'd have to accumulate some shorts and squeeze. And no guarantee that would be the plan that worked, but that was the plan that we suggested would have reasonable odds. Best odds at the open would be for the half gap test and use the half gap as support if you liked the idea we were promoting. So this is a two-way day RTH in terms of our trade plan. Stops up. This is a squeezer. And this is a retest. Let me put that on so you can see that better. And this target line is a retest of this breakdown right here. This was a double that broke. And so step by step, this becomes our next potential target into the heart of this next resistance box. And the key for that driver, step by step, we can go back and we can look at every single one of them where we've laid out the case for these potential targets once this 35 zone was broken. We said, okay, this is what they're trying to do, day 1, day 2, and this is day 3. In the squeeze back to erode some profits from the shorts. And maybe 10 years ago, I could not have understood these type of moves. Said that doesn't make sense. And you keep studying, keep learning, and you understand the psychology of it. And once you do, it'll change your game. Because we want to be lovers of the market, not fighters. 3-minute Globex chart. Very helpful right now in terms of seeing these little rotations. And let's see, 12:30. Anybody that is long side, primary objective we said today, try to get to the 52s. Get to the 54.5. Good fortune. Anything above that zone is the target line. Squeeze type trade. Accumulate and squeeze. R2 is hit. So risk and reward starts to come into the game at this point. And the only way to do this is to manage the long side if you're in the long side trade. There is no demon right now. And we are re-auctioning this fast down move is being re-auctioned. Right? because this is our only true resistance right now. Next resistance is up here. Right, these highs. So we're in the space trying to retest this breakdown, and this is a very critical fighting box now. We said support, fighting box, and resistance box. So this box very, very important to try to stall the long side. And this is where you, as a trader, have to start to make decisions about risk and reward. Not only as an intraday trader, but if you're a swing and position trader who has bought the lows. By plan, by design, we said try to get to 52, paid for sure if you get there. And the rest is up to managing your risk tolerance and what you're looking to do, and understanding we have not had a contra at all today. So we could get one. Paid for sure by 52's time and price. And anything that we get above this is gravy. T1 today we said was 55s. But I say paid for sure by 52. I'm conservative. Okay, and I'll admit that. I'm the guy that you see out on the road that stops at a stop sign. It stops at a stoplight. And I count to 3 before I go through when the lights turn, because I know some idiot's going to come flying through there disregarding a stoplight. So at my age, I'm more conservative. Paid for sure by 52. Well done if you got it. Yes, this is how the big boys play the market.